everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Lindsay and I bring you content on all things clean beauty and skincare. Today we're going to be doing some unboxings for subscriptions I get monthly. There also will be a giveaway at the end of this video. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, but stay tuned until the end to know how to enter the giveaway. Here's a little preview of the giveaway prize. I will be going over everything at the end of this video, so like I said, just stay tuned until then if you want to hear how to enter and all the details. But let me go ahead and get started on the subscriptions. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Petit Vour boxes because I do have two to go over with you guys. I have the January and the February box. I forgot to do an unboxing last month, so I thought I would just include it in this month's video. So let me go ahead and open this up. So if you guys have never seen a Petit Vour unboxing, they do come with these cards that tell you the value of the products and just everything that's in the box. So it just gives you a nice little overview of what is in here. So the first product, I will show you what it looks like. Here's what the box looks like. Really cute, pink packaging. Love getting these every month. The first product is the Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara in Supernova. This retails for $14. I really love Pacifica's mascara. I have their Dream Big mascara. I really enjoy it. And this one I have heard of, but I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try this out. The next product in here is from Kaya Naturals, which I have tried this brand and this product before. I love Kaya Naturals deodorant. It's one of my favorite deodorants. And this retails for $22. And I didn't mention this, but the box is $18.50 a month, but I do have a coupon code for you guys to use. You can use Lindsay25 and you get 25% off your first box. So if you're not already subscribed or you want to gift it to somebody, it's a great chance to use that. But anyway, this says, transform any natural deodorant into extra strength protection. This bar creates a protective barrier against odor-causing bacteria. So I have used this before. I think it's really interesting that it kind of turns any deodorant into an extra strength deodorant. But yeah, this is a really interesting product. Like I said, I have used it before and really enjoyed it. So it smells so good. When I first opened the box, like that is just the smell that hit me, and it was real good. Okay, moving on. The third product is from Le Prunier. It's their Plum Beauty Oil. This little size, which is 3.7 milliliters, retails for $20. So this is a super pricey oil, which is why I love subscription boxes, because you get to test out all these cool little products. And this says 8 times more powerful than argan oil. This pure plum seed oil balances, restores, and refreshes skin and hair, protecting it from free radicals and UV damage. So this is super cute, and I think I saw this on the Petit Vour site, and I think the full size is sold out right now, so I'm guessing this was a hit. The very last product in here are these Box Naturals cleansing towelettes. I've actually been wanting to try these. I see that they sell these on a box on Petit Vour, and I've like always been curious about them but never bought them. So again, another amazing chance to try out products. These are $1.50 each, and they did come with 2 in here. It says individually wrapped, pH balanced, and 100% biodegradable. These wipes are great to remove makeup and refresh on the go. This is the lavender one, and there's also a cucumber version in here. That was everything in the January box, and I'm actually going to be including this in the giveaway for you guys. So if you want to win this box along with some other goodies, definitely enter the giveaway. I just wanted to say thank you, and for anybody who hasn't tried Petit Vour, I just wanted to give you guys like a little taste of what it's like, because I think the January box was awesome and I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and get on to the February Petit Vour box. Here we have the February box, another adorable card like always. This one, let's see. Here's the little card again. The first product in here I'm super excited about. It's the Antonym Cosmetics Certified Natural Waterproof Eye Pencil. This retails for $19. It says, looking for a clean kohl pencil dupe? This is it. Smudge proof and hyperpigmented. This eye pencil is long wearing and comes with the detachable sharpener. So here's what the pencil looks like. I got the brown shade, which I'm really happy about because I love wearing brown liner. It just complements my eyes. When I swatch this, oh my god, I actually have this on my waterline right now. It's so creamy, but blends out really well and also stays for a long time, which I didn't even know that could all exist in one pencil. And then here it has like the sharpener on the end of it. But I feel like I would have never picked this up on my own, but I'm loving it so far. So that's why I love Petit Vour. Like, I keep saying it, but it's just products I would never really buy for myself or like haven't picked up yet, but it's such a great chance to try them out. and this was $19. So yeah, I don't think I would even spend $20 on a liner, but this one is so nice. It blends out super easily as well. Like I said, it's on my waterline. It's gorgeous. Can't wait to use this some more. So the next product in here is from Chamonix, which I have tried this brand in a Petit Four box before. It was a long time ago. It was their pumpkin enzyme mask, which I really enjoyed, so I'm excited for this. This is their seaweed toner. It retails for $10. It says it's made with tea tree and hyaluronic acid. This hydrating toner does it all. Clears complexion, balances pH, calms skin, refines pores, and sets makeup. So that's really interesting. Definitely excited to give this a go. Third product is from EIR NYC. This is their Tough Love Cuticle Balm, and this retails for $14. It says this just released vegan cuticle balm includes neem oil, a hydrating emollient with antiseptic and antifungal properties that is perfect for rough skin patches. I feel like it's really hard to find a nice vegan cuticle balm, so I'm excited. I actually used this a little bit before we started this video. The scent is really nice and light. It's not too like greasy. I don't really like greasy balms on my cuticles. I feel like it just like gets everywhere. But yeah, this one's really nice. Really enjoying it so far. And then the last thing in here is what I smelled when I first opened up the box. It smells so good. This is the Formulary 55 Sea Mineral Foot Soak with eucalyptus and peppermint. This little pouch retails for $7, and it says this fizzy foot soak is a wonderful way to end a long day. Peppermint, eucalyptus, rosemary, and activated charcoal soothe and detoxify tired feet. I've actually never done a foot soak, so this is really interesting and new to me. I really love this brand. They make great powder masks, so I'm sure this will be great as well. I think their packaging is super cute too. So yeah, that was it for the February Petit Four box. So the past 2 months I think have been great boxes. Like I said, if you guys want to sign up, I do have that code Lindsay25 for 25% off your first month. So yeah, that was it for Petit Four. Let me go ahead and move on to the Good Being box. So here's the Good Being box. If you guys aren't familiar with Good Being, you do get like a couple of products per month, and then you get to choose some of your products, which this month I actually forgot to do my picks, so they just automatically send you stuff. But if you do remember to go on and pick your products, you get to choose between a couple different things, which I think is really interesting because you get a couple of like new things you wouldn't try, but you also get to like have your preference. So this is what the February box looked like. First off, I'm going to start with the things that I already ate in here. These are the Mega Food B12 Energy Cranberry Gummies. B12 is really important to take if you're vegan. Also, if you're not vegan, basically everybody should be taking B12. But yeah, these were really delicious. I love any sort of vitamin in gummy form. They're just like delicious to take, and yeah, these were really good, and this brand makes a lot of vegan gummies, so if you're in the market for that type of thing, I would check this out. And then the next thing in here we have is from Suntegrity. I've actually been wanting to try this, so I'm so excited about this. It's the Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen, but this is their matte tinted coverage version, which just came out. I have tried the original one, and this one is a matte version, which I think is interesting for a mineral sunscreen. This is the shade Ivory on my hand, right next to the liner. Looks maybe a little bit light for me, but I could probably mix in the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzy. So far on my hand, I mean, it doesn't feel like that matte. I'm not sure how it's going to look on my face, but we'll have to try this out. I think the travel size is perfect. You guys are going anywhere, or like bring this in your car in case you forget to put on sunscreen. Really cute little sample size. And the next thing is this solid perfume from Gypsy Woman. It's a floral and earthy little solid perfume here. I don't know if you could see that. Now I usually do pick vegan products when I remember to pick my products, but fortunately, like I said, I did forget, so this does have beeswax in it. One of those little slide open containers. Ooh, definitely really earthy. I love like earthy type of like almost more masculine scents. I think they're just so grounding and they just smell amazing. And next up in here we have a Dose of C serum from Delia, I think that's how you say it, Delia Organics. This is a vitamin C serum. It has some really good ingredients in here. It has aloe, vitamin C of course, MSM, which is great for your skin, hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, some amino acids, glycerin, jojoba oil, 18% vitamin C. This sounds really good. I actually have a couple vitamin C serums I already need to use up, so I am going to be including this little guy in the giveaway as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the giveaway box. The last product in here is my favorite product from this box. It's from Said Baron. I tried a lotion from this brand and really enjoyed it. This is their Autumn Mist Balance and Hydrate. Now, I didn't even like look in the ingredients before I used this, and I just misted it on. And I was like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. What does it smell like? And then I sprayed it on my boyfriend's face, and he was like, it's like birch beer. It literally smells like birch beer, which is like, if I do drink soda, I love birch beer. I think the smell of birch is just really refreshing. I love the scent of this. I think I'm going to purchase the full size just because like I want to spray it all over my body, all over my room. It has water witch hazel, some aloe in there as well, and it does have, what is it? Sweet birch, which explains the birch scent. So yeah, I think the packaging is super cute as well, just like a black spray bottle. But yeah, I've totally been loving this, and that was it for the Good Being box. I will have everything in the description below where you can sign up for any of these boxes if you're interested. I also have done previous unboxings if you want to check out all those. Maybe I'll make like a playlist of the ones I've done so far. So that was all for the subscription boxes. Let me grab the giveaway box and I will give you guys an overview of what you will win if you enter the giveaway and end up winning. So like I said in the beginning, you will be winning this January Petit Vour box, which you get the mascara, wipes, the underarm bar, and then you get that little mini beauty oil as well. So that's really cute. And then here's the rest of the stuff. I'm not going to go over every single thing because I did include a lot of like little sample size products too, but I'll just go over like the bigger full size products that you guys will get. Like I mentioned, that vitamin C serum. I'm also giving away this Mad Hippie antioxidant facial oil. I love Mad Hippie skincare. I think they're great. So yeah, this is a really good facial oil. And then in here we also have the Acure Brightening Facial Scrub, another one of my favorite products. They're available at Target. If you guys haven't tried the scrub yet, it's amazing, but I will be including this in the giveaway. And then we also have the Well People Bio Bake Bronzer, which I've been obsessed with lately, so I wanted you guys to try as well. So you'll be winning that. And then we have something I've also really been enjoying lately. I keep saying that about everything, but this is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Madame Lemmy? This is a powdered deodorant, all natural of course. This is the rose scent. I'm currently using the lime scent and I really like it. That's what the little package looks like. It has a powder puff and you just like puff it onto your armpits, and I think they smell great and they actually work really well. So I'll put this in the box for you guys. And then the other thing we have in here is this 100% pure bag just filled with goodies. Like I said, I'm not going to go over every single thing, but I will just show you guys this little bag of samples. I'm going to be giving away this Zabana Essentials mask. We have a hot oil mask from St. Tropica. Also in here, the Formulary 55 Sea Clay Body Mask, which is the same brand as the Foot Soak in the Petit Vour box. Have a little Ursa Major soap. We have some Juice Beauty bar soap. Little samples, some sheet masks. There's a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, there's a ton of stuff in here I think you guys will really enjoy, and this is just my way of saying thank you for supporting me and subscribing and liking my videos. And if you want to enter to win this giveaway, of course, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to me, I will be checking. And then also just go ahead and give my Instagram a follow, which I will put in the description. I also put the giveaway rules in the description in case you forget them. So not only is this my way of saying thank you, but I also want to hear your feedback on my channel. So to enter this giveaway, like I said, make sure you like the video and then comment below one thing that you enjoy about my content. Then also comment one thing you'd love to see more of, whether it's like certain makeup looks, skincare videos, lifestyle videos, literally anything you want. Just go ahead and comment below and I will be choosing the winner. I'm not sure how I'm going to have this run, maybe 1 to 2 weeks. Again, like I said, I'll put everything in the description below. And then I think I will also put a coordinating Instagram post on my Instagram. If you want to enter multiple times, then head over to my Instagram. Yeah, that was it for the giveaway prize. I'm really excited to share all these goodies with you. So yeah, that was everything for our unboxing and our giveaway. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, and comment below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.